Okay, so hi dear Libra, a very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side from second till the from today till from today till the 8th of December. Okay, now the rules can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, it's not your story. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. If you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. Libra, let's start. The person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the King of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles. Wow. See, this is someone, Libra, who is feeling like they should focus on themselves only. Okay, if it is a peaceful collaboration partnership between you and them, they're fine. If not, they're very very focused on themselves, their money, their job, their career, and collaboration and partnerships that's going to bring the best for them. So right now they're very focused on money, job, career rather than relationship area. According to them, practically thinking about the situation between you and them, if this collaboration is like peaceful, they are ready to put in the effort and energy. If not, they are ready to let it go and work on themselves and connect with people or situations and things that's going to help them in going further in their life. Okay, so basically they are working with their mind rather than their heart, and right now their mind is kind of telling them to be focused on themselves as much as they can, money wise, stability wise, and focus on those people or situations or things that help them grow. Oh my god, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? We have the Three of Swords, the World card, the Queen of Cups. See, they just want to put an end to this cycle of pain. They just want to get out of this pain that they are going through quite a long time now. Basically, now this person wants to face the reality of the situation, that it's bothering them on a deeper level, and they want to work on themselves, self love, self care, self healing, and let go of this painful cycle. Put an end to this painful cycle of being in pain all the time. Wow. So basically, this person right now is working on themselves with all of their heart and soul, and remaining very practical regarding love and relationship area. And it's like, I just want to work on myself, my money, my job, my career, my feelings, my emotion, my healing. About other person, other situation, if somebody is giving me good vibes, good energies, they are ready, they are welcome to enter in my space. Otherwise, stay away. That is the kind of energy they are having right now, and they want to have this self love, self healing kind of energy in their life as much as they can, as deeply as they can from their side. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 8th of December. We have the Four of Cups, the Five of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah. See, they are too much in pain to be taking any kind of action in this direction. Right now, they are on the healing mode. It's like healing mode on, and every other mode is off right now. Airplane mode activated about everything else. So they are in this energy of, okay, let me come out of the confusions, the regrets, the guilt, the mess, the emotional hurt and pain that I'm going through, and let me come out of that slowly but surely, slowly but steadily, and then I will see what I can do about this area of my life. See, it's right now their energies are not directed towards you, Libra. I'm sorry to burst your bubble here if you're in any kind of, that energy. Right now their energies are very much focused on themselves with all of their heart and soul. They are just focusing on everything that's kind of making them feel down, so that they can heal themselves properly, help themselves properly, and like have a proper life, have a healed life, a healed version of themselves, not focus on love or relationship area. I don't know how much time they are going to take to come out of this phase, but right now they are in this phase of their life where they are not interested in love and relationship. They are interested in self-love, self-care, self-healing, and letting go of the pain that they're experiencing, maybe repetitively, right? Guidance for you guys, the Page of Wands, right? See, the thing is, keep your options open and explore new things, new situation, new energies from your side as much as you can. Don't keep your energy stuck on this particular person or situation. Don't wait for them to come back around and make you happy or help you to move forward in your life, because nobody can do that for you. Even if you think that somebody can, nobody can actually, right? So do things that you are really passionate about, explore new people, new situation, new things, new friendships, and live your life to the fullest like a kid. That is energy I'm getting right now. Don't get stuck on the idea of being with this person only, or if this person is going to make you happy. Not happening right now, no. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.